How to delete all games in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative tutorial video, I'll demonstrate the steps to remove all the games from your Roblox account. It's a simple and fast procedure, so ensure that you follow along closely. To effectively delete any games in Roblox, first of all, start by visiting the Roblox website. Navigate to the Create tab, where you can view all the games associated with your account. To delete a game, click on the three dots next to it and choose the Archive option. Archiving a game makes it private, shutting down any running service. Repeat this process for each game you wish to delete. Similarly, on the Roblox Studio app, locate the game you want to remove, click on the three dots and select Archive. Confirm the action and the game will be deleted from your Roblox creations. So this was all about how can you delete all games in Roblox. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next video.